Yes, it's the beautiful Ella, she's back. And if only we all looked like that in a before video. So she has some existing highlights that we did last time round, and she has, during lockdown, popped a colour on herself at home. But it's time to warm things up for the new season. So we wanted to intensify the warmth of Ella's hair and introduce some shine. So I'm using Colour Touch here from Wella, and I've got 3 different formulas. One for the root, one for the mids and ends, and one for the face frame. And the formulas are coming up now. You could pause this video and screenshot it for later, or jot them down so that you have them in your formula arsenal. I went in with my root formula first, avoiding the face frame. Then it was on to the mid-lengths and ends, and then the face frame last. After that, we processed for 20 minutes, rinsed, shampooed, and conditioned. Multi-formula colour melt applications are a great way of keeping your coppers looking natural whilst adding depth and extra dimension. Then it was time for a haircut. Not something you see a lot of, oh, hello, here on my channel. I'm a huge fan of a razor. I have been since the 1990s. It's a great way of removing length and interior weight whilst keeping all the finish undone and lots of texture. Right, now it's time for Ella's reveal. Oh my goodness.